Just want to show a quick easy repair on these common defrost boards. You can see a bad solder joint there burned out the pin and damaged some of the traces. I'm going to just scrape off some of the trace to expose some good copper, and I'm going to desolder the relay out of it. One of the pins is damaged too, so I'm going to solder on a piece of wire onto that remaining nub. I'm going to drill out the hole to get rid of some of that damage and make room for the wire. And I got the wire soldered onto that nub, so just gonna reinstall this relay. I'm going to also use some wire to connect the damaged traces back to that pin. And while I'm at them, I also touched up some questionable solder joints as well. Basically just reflowed them. I'm going to hook it up and test it. Obviously make sure the 240 is disconnected before you start pulling on wires. And the way the defrost cycle works, you touch the defrost test pin to the common, and it starts the defrost cycle. So the compressor turns off, the fan turns off, the reversing valve switches. Then after a little pause, the compressor comes back on. The fan does not come on, so it melts off the ice. There you have it. If this happens to be a problem, it's just a same day 30-minute fix.